Hey there, let's go through our lines of Java code and get to know the syntax a bit better. So here's the code we wrote in the last chapter to print "Hello World" on the screen. Looks pretty simple, right? Let's look a bit closer. In Java, every piece of code that runs has to be inside a class. Think of a class as a container that holds your code. Our container here is called main, and notice that main starts with a capital M. That's super important because Java is case sensitive, meaning main with an uppercase M and main with a lowercase m would be seen as two totally different names by Java. When you save your Java file, the file name must match the class name. So if our class is called main, we save it as main.java. Easy to remember, right? Now let's talk about the main event, the main method. You'll see this line in every Java program: public static void main string args. For now, don't stress about what each word means. Just remember that the main method is where your program starts running. Whatever you put inside these curly braces will get executed. Inside the main method, we've got this line: System.out.println, hello world. This is how you tell Java to print something on the screen. System is a built-in class, out is the output stream, and println means print a line of text. Altogether, it says, "Hey Java, print this text for me." One last thing, don't forget the semicolon at the end of each statement. It's like the period at the end of a sentence. Without it, Java won't know where your statement ends. And that's your intro to Java syntax, so let's end this like you would a Java statement. That's right, you got it, with a semicolon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. For more coding tips and tricks, keep it locked right here on w3schools.com. Don't forget to try out what you've learned in our interactive editor. Happy coding!